What if the next days completely rewired how you think about money? Not just your bank account, but your decisions, your habits, and your confidence. Most people fail financially not because they lack intelligence, but because they never follow a structured sequence. They try to save before understanding. They try to invest before stabilizing. They try to earn more while leaking money everywhere. Today, you'll learn the exact order that actually works. If you skip one step, everything breaks. And the most uncomfortable step is also the most important. Let's begin. Step 1. Face your numbers. You can't improve what you refuse to measure. This step is about brutal honesty. You must write down every source of income, every fixed expense, every variable expense, every debt, every subscription. Not guessing, not estimating, real numbers. Most people avoid this because it creates anxiety, but anxiety comes from uncertainty, not truth. Once everything is visible, fear drops instantly. And once you see where your money actually goes, the next step becomes obvious. Step 2, stop the bleeding. Most people don't have an income problem. They have a leakage problem. Money disappears in small, invisible ways. Daily coffee habits, unused subscriptions, impulse purchases, emotional spending. This is not about cutting joy, it's about removing unconscious spending. You temporarily pause. Non-essential purchases, convenient spending. I'll just buy this moments. This creates immediate financial relief. And once the bleeding stops, you finally create space to breathe. Step 3, build a survival buffer. Financial anxiety comes from being one problem away from disaster. Your goal here is not wealth, it's stability. Save a small emergency buffer, enough for basic emergencies, enough to avoid panic decisions, enough to say no when needed. This buffer gives you psychological safety, and safety improves thinking. Now that you're stable, it's time to fix the behavior that created the chaos. Step 4, reprogram your spending identity. Your money habits are not financial, they are emotional. People overspend to feel successful, feel in control, feel rewarded, escape stress. This step is about awareness. Before every purchase you ask, is this solving a problem or creating one? You shift identity from I buy to feel good to I build to feel free. Once identity changes, discipline becomes natural. Step 5, pay yourself first. If you always come last, you'll always stay broke. Paying yourself first means saving before spending, treating savings as non-negotiable, prioritizing future you. Even small amounts matter. Consistency trains your brain. This builds trust with yourself. Now your money has intention, but intention needs structure. Step 6, build a simple money system. Willpower is unreliable. Systems are permanent. Create simple automation. One account for spending, one for saving, one for growth. Automate transfers. Remove decision fatigue. This removes emotion from money, and emotion causes mistakes. With structure in place, growth becomes possible. Step 7, upgrade a high-income skill. You don't get paid for effort, you get paid for value. Focus on skills that solve problems, save time, increase revenue for others. Examples: sales, marketing, communication, technical skills, negotiation. Invest time daily. Small progress compounds fast, because when income grows, everything accelerates if handled correctly. Step 8, attack. Bad debt is future stress bought on credit. Focus on high-interest debt first. Every payment increases freedom. As balances drop, stress decreases, motivation rises, momentum builds. Momentum is powerful, and momentum fuels confidence, which opens new opportunities. Step 9, create a second income stream. One income means one weak point. A second income reduces fear, increases options, speeds progress. Start imperfectly, learn as you go. Execution beats perfection, because diversification creates security, and security creates growth. Step 10. Start investing consistently. Waiting for perfect conditions delays freedom. Start small, invest regularly, focus on long-term growth. This shifts mindset from spender to owner. And now it's time to lock everything in. Step 11. Remove financial noise. Too much information creates paralysis. Stop chasing trends. Stop comparing. Stick to your system. Simple beats complex. Always. Because clarity creates long-term consistency. Step 12. Think long-term. Act daily. The future is built quietly, daily. Small actions repeated daily over years. That's real wealth. And if you followed these steps, your financial identity has already changed. Step 13. Master cash flow awareness. It's not how much money you make, it's when and how it moves. Many people earn well but stay broke because income arrives irregularly, expenses hit at the wrong time. There's no cash flow visibility. Here you learn to track weekly inflow and outflow, anticipate upcoming expenses, plan money before it's needed. This removes surprises. Surprises create stress. Once cash flow is predictable, confidence skyrockets. Step 14. Create financial rules, non-negotiables. Successful people don't decide, they follow rules. You create personal money laws like, I never finance depreciating assets. I save before I spend. I don't upgrade my lifestyle before upgrading income. Rules remove emotional decisions. Emotion is the enemy of consistency, and consistency is what separates short-term success from real wealth. Step 15. Upgrade your environment. Your environment is programming you every day. If everyone around you complains about money, normalizes debt, avoids responsibility, you'll unconsciously copy it. This step is about changing what you consume, who you listen to, what ideas enter your mind daily. Because once your environment changes, growth becomes inevitable. Step 16. Learn to delay gratification strategically. Freedom is choosing later over now. This isn't about suffering, it's about intentional delay. You stop asking, can I afford this? And start asking, does this slow down my future? This builds mental strength, and mental strength builds wealth, and once your patience increases, opportunities multiply. Step 17. Think in leverage, not effort. Hard work alone keeps you trapped. Leverage is skills that scale, systems that repeat, money that works for you. You stop trading only time for money. You build things that grow without you, because leverage is how income breaks ceilings. Step 18. Protect your progress. Losing money hurts more than earning it feels good. This step is about defense, insurance, emergency planning, risk management, avoiding reckless decisions. Protection keeps momentum alive. One mistake can erase years, and once progress is protected, expansion becomes safe. Step 19. Plan for freedom, not just comfort. Comfort keeps people stuck longer than pain. Here you define what financial freedom actually means to you. A number, a lifestyle, a timeline. Without clarity, you drift. With clarity, every decision aligns, and alignment creates unstoppable momentum. Step 20. Lock in your financial identity. You don't rise to goals, you fall to identity. At this stage, you stop saying, I'm trying to improve my finances, and start living as, I am financially disciplined, I am intentional with money, I think long term. This identity makes relapse unlikely, because once identity changes, behavior follows automatically. Step 21. Stop chasing money, build value. Money follows value always. Most people ask, how do I make more money? Wealthy people ask, how do I become more valuable? This step shifts focus to skills that pay more over time. Problems people are willing to pay to solve, becoming hard to replace. Once value increases, income becomes a side effect. Step 22. Create one primary money focus. Too many goals create zero results. Scattered effort keeps people average. Focused effort creates breakthroughs. Here, you choose one financial priority, eliminate distractions, say no more than yes. Focus compounds faster than motivation, and once momentum starts, clarity becomes addictive. Step 23, automate good decisions. Discipline is overrated, systems aren't. You automate savings, investments, bills, debt payments. This removes willpower from the equation. The system works even when you don't feel like it. And when discipline is automated, progress becomes inevitable. Step 24, separate identity from possessions. When your identity depends on things, spending never stops. This step breaks the link between self-worth and purchases, status and objects, validation and money. Freedom begins when you stop trying to look successful, because real wealth is invisible and powerful. Step 25, master financial patience. Impatience is the hidden tax on your future. Most people quit too early, too emotionally. Too often, this step trains you to stay consistent when results are slow, trust long-term strategies, ignore short-term noise, and patience turns average plans into extraordinary outcomes. Step 26, learn to say no without guilt. Every yes costs money, time, or focus. Here you stop funding other people's expectations, social pressure, emotional obligations. Saying no protects your future self, and the more you say no, the faster freedom arrives. Step 27, track net worth, not just income. High income doesn't mean wealth. Net worth tells the truth. This step teaches you to measure assets versus liabilities, watch real progress monthly, focus on ownership, not cash flow only, because what you own matters more than what you earn. Step 28, build optionality into your life. Wealth is options. Options to quit, move, change, rest. You build optionality by keeping expenses low, avoiding financial traps, maintaining liquidity, and optionality is the real definition of freedom. Step 29, expect setbacks, plan for them. Setbacks don't destroy plans, unprepared people do. This step removes emotional panic by planning for bad months, expecting delays, building buffers. Prepared people stay calm, calm people win, and resilience keeps progress alive when motivation dies. Step 30, think in years, not days. Short-term thinking keeps people trapped forever. Here you shift to 5-year decisions, long-term consequences, compounding strategies. This is where discipline feels lighter, because direction is clear, and once time is on your side, money follows. In next days, you won't just see more money. You'll feel different, calmer, clearer, in control. If you want to learn about credit cards or discover millionaire habits, please check the videos that appear at the side of the screen. Comment, I want to improve my finances, if you're committing, like the video to help others escape financial stress. Subscribe for strategies that actually work. Your financial reset starts now.